Hope that helps mga arthritis warriors, mga AVN warriors. And remember, always consult with your doctor, and every patient is different, and every doctor will be different po. And shout out to Sir Iril Jude. Doc, when kayo magla-live question and answer for ACL patients? So, salamat sa tanong, Sir Iril. Why don't you list down your questions and post it po sa ating Facebook groups? If you can post all the questions, and we'll do a live para sa mga ACL patients or knee injury patients who want to get back into sports para masagot natin yung mga tanong sa ACL. We'll definitely get back to you, and of course, subukan natin na ibalik yung mga question and answer for arthritis and ACL po.